Hello. In this video, we are going to show you how to install the add-on for rejustify.com. Go to rejustify.com to get your subscription, list of available data providers, and date sets and more details. To get the add-on, go to Google Marketplace, search for Rejustify, and install the app. For the installation, you need to be logged in to your Google account. Accepting the terms and conditions enables the app to fill the data into spreadsheets. To launch the app, open a new Google Spreadsheets, navigate to tab Add-ons, where Rejustify appears, launch the app, and it will open the app on the right side. To make the Rejustify Google Sheets add-on work, go to Settings tab in the app and insert your token code you received after subscribing to Rejustify by email. You can also find your token code when you log into your account at rejustify.com. Switching the button to Data Learning Enabled will enable the app to remember your searches to reach higher accuracy in your future searches. Okay, that's it. The app is installed and ready to go. In our next video, we will show you an example about how to find statistical data. For more information, subscription pricing, and other details, go to rejustify.com. Please like and share this video and write us your questions and suggestions. We're keen on improving our engine to fit your needs. Thank you for watching.